Hello everyone, I'm Robert and you're watching a demo video of our project. It's called the Illinois Tech Course Scheduling Application, and this video aims to show you what our web app is capable of doing and how easy it is to use it. So let's start first with creating an account, which is very easy. Let's say for example, our guy named David wants help with his scheduling, so let's create an account for him in computer and cybersecurity engineering as his major, and let's log in. Sure enough, this is what you end up with. So this is the first page that you see when you log in. Right here you have the calendar. This is going to show David his weekly schedule depending on the courses that he picks. This box right here is going to show the list of classes he's taking for the entire semester. This search bar here is where David can search courses, right? If he searches, a keyword like CS, it's going to show him all the CS courses being offered for the semester, as well as all the sections that are available. And here at the bottom is the main highlight of our web app. This right here is the list of courses that our algorithm is recommending to David to take for his first semester. Now, again, this is assuming that David is coming into his first semester in IIT and has never taken a single class in IIT before, when in fact David has already finished his first semester in IIT and he's coming into his second semester. So that means he's done with the most of the courses here. So we can go ahead to his profile account, and this is what his profile account looks like. Right here at the top, he has the option to change his account info, and then here he has the option to search for courses that he's already taken. Those courses are going to be displayed in this box, and here at the other box, it's going to show his remaining coursework, meaning to say the courses he still needs to take to complete his degree. So like I said, David's already finished his first semester, so let's go ahead and say that he's already finished the courses for that semester. So let's say EC100. And another thing I want you to take note of is that here you can see EC100, right, as a course that he still needs to take. But if we tell the website that we are done with EC100, then it will be no longer displayed here. And sure enough, you have it here on the other box of taken courses. So let's put other courses here. Let's say he's already taken a humanities elective, science elective as well, and a math requirement. And sure enough, you have in this box all the courses that David has done already, and at the right side you have an updated remaining course load. So CS 115 isn't here anymore, EC 100 isn't here anymore, Math 151 isn't here anymore. And of course, like say for example, you accidentally put a different course right here, right? You mistakenly put this course here and you want to delete it. All you have to do is just click on it and it'll be gone. Now let's go back to our scheduler. First thing you're going to see is that his course recommendation has changed. So a while ago this was EC 100, this was Math 151, and CS 115, but since we told the website that we're done with those courses, the algorithm switched it up and gave a more updated list of recommended courses. So let's go ahead and add those courses, right? Let's say he wants to take these courses this semester. And sure enough, this is how his coursework looks like for spring 2024. Now let's say for example, David isn't very comfortable taking an iPro at 6 in the evening, right? He doesn't want to walk out in the darkness of night. So we can go ahead and remove that and replace that with another course. Now let's say for example, David no longer wants to be a cybersecurity engineer. He wants to be just a computer engineer. So we can go ahead and change his account info and switch his major. And update his major. So now he's just a computer engineer. Go back to scheduler. Sure enough, right, we can see that David's major has changed and the course recommendation has already changed. A while ago, Econ 311 wasn't here, but since we changed his major, our algorithm made a slight change to the list of recommended courses. And of course, if you wanted to add another course that wasn't recommended by the algorithm for whatever reason, you can just search it up. Let's say, for example, you want to take a 200 level SOC requirement. So of course, you could search it up here and then just add it yourself. David doesn't like evening classes, so let's remove that. Let's look for a different one. Still evening. That one's conflicting. That looks better. And there it is. So, once David has come up with a schedule that he is satisfied with, he can maybe take a picture of that or take notes down on what courses he wants or which sections he wants to take, and then he's going to log out because he's already done. Now, of course, if you don't want all the hassle of making another, account or remembering another password, you can continue as guest and have the whole app to yourself as well. However, if you only continue as guest and you log out, whatever schedule you put here is not going to be remembered by our website, which is one of the neat things about creating an account. If you create your own account, the website is going to remember whatever schedule you saved before you left off. And that's what we have for our demo video. Hope you found our project interesting. Thank you very much for watching.